Start building your career in bricklaying at Coleg Gwent. With courses from foundation level upwards, our experienced tutors are here to help you hone your trade and prepare you for a rewarding career. Our bricklaying courses are full-time and cover a range of modules to get you ready for the world of work on site, including principles of building construction, building solid walling, blockwork patterns, cavity walling and masonry cladding, to name a few, alongside general health and safety. You'll get practical experience in our fully equipped workshops, and with strong employer partnerships and links, you can expect industry talks and demonstrations to help enhance your studies. You'll be assessed through a mixture of practical projects, written and online tests. Many of our learners go on to study an NVQ via an apprenticeship route or move straight into employment. You may want to further your studies with our range of part-time courses, or even progress onto higher education in civil engineering, construction and the built environment. To find out more about bricklaying courses, visit our course search or register for our next open day event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.